Guys, the imotorbike johor, so I need review bikes every day on live, tell you about cash, loan plan, nak beli motor dengan kita, bagaimana nak jual motor dengan kita, right? So tolong subscribe, at least I can go live and show you guys. Right, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, when you come here. If you want to sell your bike, you go there. If you want to come to the showroom, you go there. Alright, this is the walk around of our showroom. Okay, you can see why stuck in traffic when you got so many options of bikes. Check it out. My beautiful showroom. Whatever you want, guys, we are ready for everything. Right? So please like, follow, subscribe. All this bike will be ready for viewing the moment I hit how many subscribers? I think 50 subscribers. So yeah, follow, subscribe, do what it needs to be done so that every day I can show you something new from the live, from the bikes that we have here. Kita boleh tahu loan plan, kita boleh tahu cash ke, loan ke, macam mana kita nak deal. Everything will be clear cut. Nothing to hide, my man. We do a lot of checks before we do sell bikes. So yeah, make sure everything is tip-top before we sell. And tell me one thing, which shop got give you this type of policy, man? If you don't like from us, 6-day return it back. We provide a 6-month warranty. So buy from us. That's the main thing. We cover engine, gearbox, ECU for the 6 months. And you can even extend it up to 2 years warranty from imotorbike. Most importantly, each and every bike goes through a strict checking points, over 170 points of inspection, and we'll make sure the bikes here are not flooded, no major accidents, engine is standard. That's the quality we do bring to all Johorians here. So, you're not even Johori, if you're entire Malaysia, so we can deliver. So don't be shy, ask all the questions, put it in the comments, right? But most importantly, like and subscribe so that we can bring all this action here live. Even have a second floor, you have to go up the stairs though, alright? But it's not ready yet. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Okay, but once we have enough stock, there will be second floor. So right now you're looking at 2